How much have action cameras improved since 2012? Let's look at the GoPro Hero3 Black and compare it to the EKEN H6s. In 2012, the Hero3 Black retailed for $400 and offered various resolutions, including up to 4K, but only at 12 frames per second. The most popular one, 1080p, up to 60 frames per second. Plus it had still photography with time-lapse starting from a half a second and bursts up to 30 frames per second. Okay, let's look at the detail in this 1080p 60 frames per second. Back in 2012, image stabilization was only available with a Steadicam mount, which offered limited help. A few years later, 2- and 3-axis gimbals became more affordable. The budget action camera with electronic image stabilization became a real game changer a few years back. The EKEN H6s can be purchased for less than $100 delivered, and while not as smooth as a 3-axis gimbal, it will give you watchable footage. It's also worth noting that newer cameras have built-in correction for the fisheye effect caused by the ultra-wide 170-degree lens. I applied the Alex 4D angle fix to the GoPro footage to remove the wide-angle distortion.